What's up, everybody? Just wanted to give a little update on the video here. When I was installing the front lip and the carbon fiber trunk lip and all that, I did not do a lot of filming, so it's not going to be a how-to or anything like that. It's going to be more of like a before and after of what the car looks like with the front lip on, front lip off, carbon fiber trunk lip on, off, and then the wheels. I obviously did not film them being installed, but I did get a video of them before and after and my initial reaction and stuff like that. So that's what this video is going to be about. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be installing a new front lip on my C7.5 A6. It's a Maxxon design front lip. I did have one on it before during wintertime, but being a little lowered and with the front lip on, my car was a little bit of a snowplow, and the front lip decided to say see you later. So we're going to put a new one on. And here's the front lip. Coming with the hardware, the instructions. There is a protective film on here. So if you buy one of these for your car and you think it's scratched, it's not scratched. You just have to take that film off and it's perfectly fine underneath this. And then over here's my car. Like I said, it's a 2016 A6. It's dual pulley. So it's a fun daily. Got the Merc heat exchanger there. RS6 grill. I am going to get some wheels for it here. Interior is a little dirty, but it is my daily. I'm going to get a little trunk spoiler here for it too. Just a small one. Yeah, so there's a little walk around of the car. And yeah, we're gonna make this front end a little more aggressive. Alright, so we got the front splitter, or the front lip put on. Looks a lot more aggressive, in my opinion. Yeah. The only thing left to do for the car is get my wheels and then the trunk spoiler there. And then it should be all good. What's up, everybody? So I ordered a carbon fiber trunk lip for the A6 a couple weeks ago, right around the time that I ordered the wheels. The wheels are already here. I'll be getting them put on soon, but got a nice little surprise today. The carbon fiber lip came in today, and that looks so good. Looks so good. Can't wait to put it on this thing. So I'm gonna give this thing a little wash, and then we'll go ahead and put this trunk lip on, and we'll see how it looks. Beautiful night here. I got the carbon fiber trunk lip put on. It looks so good. All that's left to do is get the wheels put on the car, and then she's all ready. Alright, what's up, everybody? Today's the day. We're mounting the wheels and the tires on the A6, and I'm super stoked. Gotta get these things packed up and ready to go, and then we'll be on our way.
That Big Bear in Oconomowoc. Getting the wheels mounted on that thing right there. Excited to see how they turn out. Gotta get the wheels out of this thing and get them ready. Shout out to Big Bear. A moment of truth. Here we go. See what the wheels look like on this thing. Whew. Damn, they look so good. All right. See if I have any rubbing or anything like that on the way home, but this thing turned out so good. Thanks to Johnny and Big Bear. All right, so we made it back home. Did get some rubbing on the rear wheels, especially the rear passenger side. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna end up probably raising the car a little bit. I'm gonna also be getting an alignment here. Maybe even ordering some new suspension, because right now what's on there is the Solo Works coilovers. I'm not too happy with how those are, so I'm thinking about either getting some BCs or going all the way and getting KWs, or maybe even bagging the car. More than likely I'll be getting coilovers though. But here is the car. It looks really good. I really like the way these wheels turned out. Like I said, there is some rubbing back here, but besides the rubbing, the carbon fiber trunk lip there. Not much room here, so we'll have to probably raise the car. Yeah, there she goes. She looks pretty good. These are 20 by 9.5 plus 22. And then I went with 255, 35, 20s on here. Some Nittos. I still have the stock set. They're gonna be my winter set. So, but here's how that car's sitting right now. Really happy with how it turned out. Really like the wheels. I think next thing I'm gonna do is get the roof wrapped black, and then after that it'll be all done. But yeah, hope you have a good one.